This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add a recent player as a friend on your Nintendo Switch. So maybe you played with someone in Rocket League or something like that and you enjoyed playing with them and you want to send them a friend request. So on the home screen here, let's go up to our name and select this and then scroll on down to where it says Add Friend. Then go to the right. And we have the option to search for users you played with right here and select it. So I have a few people I played with under here. And this was from a while ago. It looks like November and October. So go on over their name and then select it. So let's go to this person, select their name, and then we can go to send friend request. So it looks like the last time we played together was in 2019. So quite a while ago, so I'll remember pretty far back. So let's send them a friend request. And if accepted, you will become friends. So this person now has to go up to where it says friend request, select this, and then they have to go to your name and accept it, and then you should be able to see them under your friends list. So let's go to Eddie right here and become friends, and it says please wait. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.